new conditioners make my hair feel smoother. Conditioners are like repair crews for hair that's been through too much. Every strand is covered by a cuticle, a thin outer layer made of flat overlapping scales. When hair is healthy, those scales lie flat and smooth. When it's damaged by heat, color, or friction, they lift up, making hair rough, tangled, and dull. Conditioners fix that with a little chemistry. They contain cationic ingredients. That means they carry a positive charge. Hair when wet is slightly negative, opposites attract, so these molecules cling right where the damage is. They form a thin, even coating that smooths the lifted cuticle, helping light reflect again and making strands slide easily past each other. That's why it feels silky when you rinse. Some formulas go further, adding silicones for shine, fatty alcohols for softness, and proteins to patch up weak spots. Together they seal, protect, and detangle without making hair heavy. So when your hair feels smoother after using conditioner,
It's not magic,
it's charge, coating, and care working together at the surface.